Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be doing something different. We are going to see the number of permutations we got in the Rubik's Cube. Not only that, we are going to see on how we got that number. So let's dive in. Okay, so now let us start. There are about 43 quintillion possible combinations in a Rubik's Cube. To be precise, there are 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489 million and 856,000. That is a really big number. The other thing you have to remember is all these 43 quintillion combinations can be solved in 20 moves or less. So, 20 is called the God's number. Okay, now let us see how we got this number. First, we will see the corners. There are 8 corners, which can be put in 8 different positions. So, the total number of positions that all corners can be put is 8 factorial. 8 factorial means that you have to multiply 8 with its lesser numbers till 1. For example, 8 factorial is equal to 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6, and it goes on until 1. Now, a corner can be twisted in 3 different positions. So, we multiply 8 factorial with 3. So, these 8 corners can be twisted and placed in 8 different ways, but we are powering to only 7, because the 8th edge automatically arranges depending on the other edges. So, our corner formula is 8 factorial multiplied by 3 to the power of 7. Now, in edges it is the same thing. There are 12 edges, so we say it as 12 factorial. Those edges can be twisted in 2 different ways, and 11 edges can arrange automatically. The 12th edge will be arranged automatically. So that will leave us with this formula. 12 factorial multiplied by 2 to the power of 11. Now, do you think it's over? Nope, whatever we found out just now is not fully correct. Half of it is wrong, as they are impossible cases. So, we have to divide it by 2, which is the same as multiplying it by a half. So, our final formula is 1 by 2 multiplied by 8 factorial multiplied by 3 to the power of 7 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 2 to the power of 11, which will result in 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489 million and 856,000. Okay, so that's it for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss more of my videos. See you!